This week, AWS sneezed and half of the internet caught a cold. Snapchat went silent. Fortnite stopped voting. And Venmo forgot your balance. Even Alexa said,
"I'm having trouble connecting to the internet."
Then social media exploded with hashtags AWS down. The internet broke and everyone was tweeting from their backup devices. Elon Musk was like, SpaceX and X didn't skip a beat. Basically, someone unplugged the internet and plugged it back in. Meanwhile, developers were like, is it my code or AWS? It's always AWS. So here's a dev lesson. Don't put your EC2s in one basket, because when the cloud goes down, your users don't want excuses. They want uptime. AWS recovered, the internet restored, but the message is clear. Build resilient or prepare for chaos. Because next time, the cloud might not sneeze, it might cough. Follow for more content like this. Till the next one. Grace and peace.